Hi guys, I'm Hasba with WTI, and I don't know about you, but I love it when my home smells lovely, depending on what time of the year it is. So that's why I always have this on. This is the automatic spray holder from Glade, and I am in love with this device. This is a pretty sturdy unit. This is how you squeeze it open, and then you'll find the actual spray, which doesn't come with the unit. It runs on two AA batteries. You put it in, then you close it, as simple as that. It's not heavy. And this right here is the actual button in case you want to be a little extra and spray it when the timer's not on. This is the timer. Here's where you turn it off in case you're not gonna be home. And you have three different timer options. You have 18 minutes, 9 minutes, and 36 minutes. So if you're like me and you like your home to smell fresh and great all the time, well, this one's for you. It's very easy to set up, and that's my point of view.